In this video, we'll look at some handy BC values that you need to know. To access these values, go into the Maintenance application. Click on Basic Configuration and then unnest the letter folder. The first value we will look at is BC247. Here we define the From options found in the standard Patricia email window. You can set up 4 different From email addresses based on BC value 247, person, team, and department. We also have BC value 281. This changes the display on the ViewPrint window. By default, when going to ViewPrint documents, the documents available are grouped by case type. If BC281 is set to true, it will instead group documents by category and subcategory. Next, for ease of use, you might want to send an email directly from other areas of your case. One example would be clicking on an email address from within your parties page. Here I can see that my email window has appeared, but the subject and body is empty. This is not ideal. Another example would be right-clicking on a document and choosing Send Documents by Email. Once again, the generated email window has no body and no subject. So we can set Patricia to pre-populate the subject and the body using BC values. Now, as explained in earlier videos, we always have a TXT and an RTF option available to us. The first setting that we need to look at is BC196, which defines whether any default option should be used. I will set mine to true. This is the first step. Now, to set up TXT options, we have the following BC values. BC197 defines the subject, and BC198 the body content. You can also set the default email signature under BC199. I will enter my subject in BC197. Remember, because this is TXT mode, we are entering the text directly into the empty field and making use of letter codes as needed. Now I'll move over to BC198 and do the same. I'll enter my body text directly into the field area. I'll now save and check the results. Do note that a Patricia restart is required after making these type of changes. It looks good. It pulled in my TXT details as defined. Now, if you wanted to use the RTF option instead, ensure to have BC196 set to true, and then we have another 2 BC values we need to enter. BC179 defines the body template, which I will select here, and BC279 defines the subject, which I'll also select here. Note that if RTF options are entered, any TXT BC values will be disregarded. So let's restart Patricia and generate my email again. Perfect, it looks exactly right.